Do you feel called to create a YouTube channel around your God-given purpose, but YouTube feels like a foreign object and you have no idea how it works? That was me just a few years ago. Fast forward 3 years later, after my yes and a step of obedience and taking a leap of faith, God has given me over 500,000 followers across all of my platforms, and my other YouTube channel has nearly 60,000 subscribers and is fully monetized. But recently, he showed me something. I was taught to fish, and he wants me to teach you how to fish. And going forward, I'm going to help Christians to use their gifts to fulfill their God-given purpose by creating content and YouTube channels that will build a life of freedom and impact. And if you're still watching this, I truly believe that he is calling you. And before I keep going, I have a free gift for you. In today's video description, you can get my faith-driven creator guide. It's going to give you some steps to help you get started, bypass what not to do, and help you get going on the right path. So make sure you watch till the end of this video because this could truly be the sign you have been looking for. Now, when I went all in on social media, I didn't do anything half effort. I spent over $10,000 on YouTube growth courses, consults, and coaching programs. And by doing that, I gathered a lot of knowledge. And a lot of these programs were good. They gave me knowledge and a lot of what to do, a lot of what not to do, but they really kind of lacked implementation. And the reality is a lot of them overloaded me with a bunch of tactics and outdated advice until they started to really give me the good stuff later in the course. You know, some of the advice helped, but honestly, it really didn't bring me fulfillment. I got views, I got subscribers, but a lot of the advice was pretty much copying each other with copy what works and tweak it a little bit and keep doing that. And sure, I was getting views, but I wasn't fulfilled. And honestly, that is why I took a leap of faith and started my school community, Purpose Mastery Academy. It doesn't just teach views or vanity metrics or how to go viral. It actually teaches Christians how to pursue their God-given purpose online and build a life of freedom, abundance, and wealth while making a tremendous impact for God's glory. This is honestly what I wish I had when I started 3 years ago. And with the implementation and the actual roadmap that I have, I would have been so much further ahead, but I can't go back, learn from my pain, and honestly, I truly believe that pain has a purpose, and my road and my journey for the last 3 years will actually help you to get where I'm at and beyond a lot faster. And with this same system, I have gained over 500,000 followers and subscribers across all platforms, and right now, current to date, I have made over $60,000 online. The best part behind all of that is I've been able to serve my audience at the highest level and truly make a difference in their life and allow them to not only do what they were called to do, but also create a great life doing it and actually have life to the full. With that being said, I want to ask you, are you stuck at a job that you hate? Or maybe do you just feel like you're going through the motions, like getting up, going to work, coming home, going to bed, repeating 5 days a week, maybe having a little bit of fun on the weekends, but as soon as Sunday evening rolls around, you're dreading that Monday morning alarm going off? Do you feel like God has put something inside of you that you just know you are meant to do in life, but you really don't know where to begin? You don't want to be on camera. You don't even know where to start with creating a YouTube channel, with editing videos. That nagging feeling that you have and that turmoil that you're going through is actually a blessing in disguise because it's actually divine invitation from God. And that's the Holy Spirit prompting you to take the first step. Because God didn't create you for mediocrity. He created you on purpose for a purpose. But the reality is most people never act on it. They say someday. Most people work at a job that they hate. They say they're going to quit. They never do because they get some level of contentment and security, and then they say one day they're going to retire and do what they love to do. But at that time, they're too old and decrepit to really do it and enjoy it. Unfortunately, statistically, when most people retire, they shortly expire and pass away. But you were made for more than that, and I truly believe from my own personal experience that YouTube is the best, most powerful platform to share the message that God put inside of you with the rest of the world. But the problem that I came across is that no one actually shows you how to do that. I mean, how do you talk about your faith without getting canceled? How do you grow an audience without, selling out or just copying other people? And how do you monetize and actually sell products without feeling like a fraud? Well, that's everything that I teach inside of Purpose Mastery. And on top of that, I have a Zoom call that you can attend every week and ask me questions and get answers in real time. So if you're ready to stop playing small, you have a smartphone, and you're willing to take a leap of faith and take the first step, then you're qualified. Because you don't need a studio, you don't need expensive gear, and you don't need really anything other than obedience and be willing to learn and truly commit and go all in for 90 days. Yes, this can be inspiring, and yes, I try and inspire my students, but I'm not just giving inspiration, I'm also teaching you exact implementation. Oh, and lastly, if you're thinking, well, I'm not a content creator. No one wants to hear what I have to say. I hate the way I look and sound on camera. Or my favorite one, I don't have time. I'm too busy. Well, I went through all of those, and the truth is, those are always going to be excuses. But to help you, I have refined a system that you can do this with less than 5 hours a week. All you need is a smartphone, and if you're willing to commit yourself to mastery, you can get pretty good on camera with a proper strategy. So if you want to check it out, you can get the link in the description below to join my school community. But if you're still on the fence, just think about what it's going to cost you not to start. Another year wasted in a job that drains you. Another decade wondering what if, and worst case, eventually, a life that you're looking back filled with regret. Or you could take the first step and wake up every day with clarity, knowing exactly what content to create, seeing comments from people that say, wow, this changed my life, or wow, I feel like you were speaking directly to me. This is what I needed today. Imagine getting paid to do what you love without selling out, without burning out. And that's not a pipe dream, and that's not, maybe possible for some people. Systems and processes work for everyone that is willing to apply them. And above all, on top of that, God gave you a message, and this is what He created you to do. So if you're serious and finally ready to take action, click the link in the description below, and I'll see you over there.